In this video we will learn how to install PostgreSQL on Windows 11. So let us see. At first go to the web browser. On Google type PostgreSQL and press enter. The official website is visible. Click on it. Here is the official website postgresql.org. The download button is visible. Click on it. Now here the download page is visible. We want for Windows, so I'll click Windows. Here it is, Interactive Installer by EDB. Click here to download. This installer includes the server, pgadmin, that is a tool for managing and developing your databases, and it also includes Stack Builder, which is a package manager. I'll click download the installer. Here some versions are visible for Linux, Mac and Windows. So what I'll do, I'll just click the following. For Windows, now the download will start. Here it is. Let's wait. The exe file downloaded successfully. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. The setup started. Click next. It will get installed in the following location. Keep it as it is and click next. So I told you before, this installer will install the following. That is the server, admin, stack builder. So keep it as it is and click next. Following is the data directory. So here your databases will get saved. Click next. Enter a password. So you can add any password. After entering, click next. This is the port number. Keep it as it is. Click next. Here are the advanced options. You can select the locale. I'll select English. Click next. Pre-installation summary. Click next. Ready to install. Click next. Now it will install. Let's wait. Guys, we successfully installed PostgreSQL. Click finish. Now do you want to install the stack builder also? It is a package manager. So for the time being I'll leave it. Click cancel. Yes, I want to close the stack builder wizard. I clicked yes. So we successfully installed. Now let us open it. Go to start. Type pgadmin. Here it is. It's visible. We just installed. Click open. Here it is. I clicked here. Enter the same password. Click save and click OK. Here it is. Click databases. The default database is here. If you want to create a new database, right click databases, click create and then click database. Enter the name of your database. Let's say I'll mention Amit DB. Rest we can keep as it is. A basic database. Click save. Here it is. We created our Amit DB database. So guys, we saw how we can download and install PostgreSQL on Windows 11.